meeting.
Hello. Nice to see you.
Called Rigathi. Can you pronounce Rigathi?
Rigathi. You just got in yourself?
Yes. About 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
Oh.
I was out of town.
And I was saying, there were a lot of people, mid-March that it met.
That was the night last year.
Oh, okay, not recently.
Not really.
Yeah.
It's never been like this. But we are hoping for some rain.